All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about the ecosystem or grassland prairies, okay? A prairie is a temperate grassland. It consists of plains with grass where temperature gets hot in the summer and cold in the winter. Most of the interior of North America was prairie before European settlement radically altered the environment with agriculture. Even now, the prairie is a very large area. Tall grass prairie are areas with rich soil and moderate precipitation. Short grass prairies are areas with little precipitation and short grass. The featured population we're going to be talking about today is bumblebees. Bumblebees are very important to the grassland prairie regions of the world because bumblebees play a huge role in our world. They are unique because of their sting. Unlike honeybees, the stinger of a bumblebee doesn't even come off when it stings an organism. Bumblebees fertilize or pollinate different plants or flowers in the area, helping them produce fruit. The long tongue of the bumblebee makes it important pollinating certain flowers that other bees can't reach. Without bees, many plants in our world would not be able to produce and their species would become extinct. Without all of those plants, animals that depend on them would survive and die. Starve and die. We depend on so many of those animals for our food supply. We also depend on many of the plants that bumblebees pollinate. Guys, without bumblebees, we would not have tomatoes. They're constantly pollinating the tomatoes. They're going through, they're getting all the nectar out, and they're helping the flowers multiply. So it's very important. Bees are very, very important to our ecosystem. Animal facts. Bumblebees are hairy. The hairs of their body pick up the sticky pollen grains that enable the bee to carry pollen from one flower to another. The bee transfers most of the pollen from the body hairs on the pollen packed onto its bristles of the pollen basket on its hind legs. The bristles of the pollen basket on its hind legs are adaptation for carrying large quantities of pollen. Their basic needs. They need air, water, shelter, food, just like our turtle, guys. Shelter. They have a nest in the ground, above or on roof beams or in attics. Food, nectar, and pollen. Here's their grassland community. You have a prairie chicken, a bald eagle. You have a prairie dog, a bison, and a swift fox. Those are some animals that you may see on the prairie. What do y'all guys notice about the pictures? How are they the same and how are they different? So we can look at the grass here, right? The grass, what color are they? What types of season what season do you think that they're in? Plant life in the prairie is like grasses, flowers, very few trees. Climate, they're very hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. Their landscape is gently rolling hills and grassy areas. And that's all we have for Science Day. Y'all have a study jam over ecosystems. It's just a video. It's a short video. Y'all guys have fun with it. Ecosystems are important. Next week, we're going to be talking about the food chain. So y'all guys really need to see how the ecosystems are going to be affected in the food chain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day.